Hello and welcome to a video from MINDS-i Robotics. I'll be showing you how to install Arduino software and the MINDS-i libraries. So let's get right to it. We're going to go to Arduino.cc just by Arduino.cc here. Arduino.cc. And once on the main page, we're going to click on Software and then Downloads. Scroll down here where it says Download the Arduino IDE and click on Installer for Windows XP. On this window, we're going to click on Just Download and wait for the program to download. Now, I already have this started right here, so I'm going to open this and press Run. And then it says, in this case, mine's already installed. We can just press OK. This will also count if you have an older installation of Arduino. It will first uninstall the older installation and then reinstall the newest one. So I'm going to uninstall this, press OK, wait for it to do its thing, close, and now install the latest version of Arduino by pressing Agree. Usually I want all these options selected. This is installing the Arduino software. Installing the USB drivers, those are needed to run the Arduino boards on the computer. And this creates a start menu, a desktop short, and this associates.ini files, which those are the files that Arduino uses. So then we're going to select a location and wait for it to extract and install those files. Alright, once it's done, it'll show completed, and then I'll press close here. I can also see that the shortcut is now on my desktop. I can click that and start Arduino. Alright, so with Arduino opened up, it's going to open my last sketch that I have on here, which for me happens to be a the program clear. But right here, we're just going to open a blank sketch. And but before we get started, let's make sure we have the MINDS-i library included. We're going to go to Include Libraries, Manage Libraries, and in the Filter Your Search section here, I'm going to type in MINDS. I'm going to find two separate programs here. If I already have these installed, it'll say Update. If not, it'll just say Install. I'm going to just do that anyways. Press Update, and this one is already installed. So we can see the latest version here is 3.0.2, which is installed, and that's good to go. Okay, so now I can close out of that. We can check that these are up to date by going down to File, Examples, scrolling down here to MINDS-i Drill and MINDS-i, and making sure that these libraries are here. If those aren't showing up, you can always just exit out of the program, restart the program, and check that one more time. And that's it. Alternatively, you can get to the MINDS-i examples by going to the open button right here, and libraries, and then you'll have MINDS-i Drone and MINDS-i. Let's see. And that's really it for installing Arduino. If you have any questions, make sure to email info@mymindsci.com and we'll get you helped out. Thanks for watching.